Let me speak to the person who feels like they've lost their value today. You see this? This is a $1 bill. Now listen, if I walk into a store and there's something that costs 90 cents, can I buy it with this dollar? Okay, all right. So if I walk into a store and the item is 85 cents, and after tax it becomes 96 cents, can I still buy it with this dollar bill? Okay, all right. But what if I take this dollar and I crumple it up? Think about it now, as if I just bought a dollar bill and crumpled it. Does it lose its value? Maybe now it's only worth 95 cents, right? How much do you think it's worth? No, it's still worth $1. Listen, you've got to pay attention. What if I just shaved it down, tore a little? Surely it's worth less now, right? All right, okay. But what if I step on it? What if I stomp on it? I just stepped on it. How much is it worth now? 65 cents? 68 cents? No, it's still worth $1. Okay, but what if I shove it into a bottle? What if I stuff it tight, then throw it into the trash can, and now it's sitting there with garbage, with beer, with gum, with all kinds of disgusting stuff, and some guy from the street pulls it out, unfolds it. How much is it worth now? 82 cents? 92 cents at least? Okay, all right. So what if I crumple it? What if I step on it? What if I throw it in the trash? And hey, look at this, I tear it in half. Think about that, right? How much is it worth now? $1. Because I could tape it back together. Wait. Hold on a second. I crumpled it. I stepped on it. I threw it in the trash. I pulled it back out. Then I tore it in two pieces. And you're telling me I can pick that dollar up, wipe it off, tape it together, and it's still worth $1? Then why do you feel like you've lost your value when this dollar never loses its value? Because many of you feel like people walked all over you. You feel like you were pushed aside. You feel abandoned. You feel talked about. You feel misused. You feel like someone took something from you, hurt you, exploited you, and deep down, you feel like you lost some of your worth. But let me tell you something today. This dollar, this life, still has value. Because years ago, there were people who understood something powerful, that no matter what happens, it can still be taped back together. It can still be wiped clean. And I'm here to tell you, you were created with purpose. You were born with value. You are here with meaning. And even though you went through hard times, even though you went through depression, even though you feel like giving up or hurting yourself, I'm here to tell you, you are still valuable. And nothing can happen to you that can take away your worth. So now, you've got to get back up. You've got to dust yourself off, and you've got to keep moving forward, because your value never left you.